Hey y'all, it's Boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Show doing Cup of Constipation. Oh boy. I don't like that. It's suffocating. Like I've swallowed the very feeling of being stuck, frozen in place. My insides twist, scream for relief, but nothing moves, nothing gives. I'm caught in this uncomfortable limbo, every second stretching longer than the last. Yikes. If that's how you can describe constipation, I can tell you that's also what it feels like as well, because I've had to go through that before. That is the cup of constipation. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for next video. Bye-bye.